Okay, so we have already converted from hex to denary, so now we need to convert from denary to hex, and I've highlighted that we are converting from denary to hex with this lovely tasteful shade of purple in the title. Okay, so let's ask ourselves the question, what is the hex value for denary 195? How do we convert from denary to hexadecimal? Well, for some reason this throws people a little bit, but it's really very simple. Simpler than hexadecimal to denary, really. So to convert from denary to hex, we follow these three steps, okay? Step 1, we convert the denary number 195 to binary. Then we split that 8-bit binary number into nibbles, and then we convert those nibbles to denary and therefore to hex. So let's do that. So the first step is to convert this denary value 195 to a binary value. We've been doing that for some time, so we just use our trusty table. So 128 plus 60 is 188, plus 4 is 192. So we're not quite to 195, but we're certainly going to be putting zeros here. So 192, we just need to add 3. Now, the common sense test is it's an odd number, 195, so it has to have a 1 here. So 128 plus 64 is 188, 192, 194, 195. Good. So now we need to split into nibbles. So we are using the 4-bit conversion table. Notice that both tables go up to 8 and no higher, but we're going to take these numbers and whack them in just as they were in the previous value. Can you see that okay? Just about. Okay, so now we need to convert those nibbles to denary. So 8 plus 4 is 12. That's pretty simple, so that's 12. And 8, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's less than 10, so we know that's the hex number is 3 for that one. But obviously A is 10, so B is 11, and C is 12. So that equals C. So we know that 3 is a hex value, denary to hex, and we know that 12 is C as a hex value. So 195 as a hex value is C3. Easy. So easy, in fact, we should do another one. So now we are looking at the denary value 129, and we need to convert that into a hex value using this simple 3-step process. So step 1, denary to binary. Step 2, split the binary number into nibbles. Step 3, convert those nibbles back into denary and therefore hex. So let's convert denary 129 into a binary number. Well, that's pretty easy, isn't it? Because we know that gets us to 128, so we can literally go zeros. Oh, terrible handwriting. Getting there. Okay, so that gives us a binary value for denary 129. So then we split them into nibbles. Okay, so 1, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0, 1, and then we convert these nibbles into denary values. So 8, so that's 8, and this is 1. So A is 10, isn't it? We know that. So 8 is going to, an 8 denary value is going to look like an 8 hexadecimal value, and a 1 denary value is going to look like a 1 hexadecimal value. So the answer, what is denary 129 as a hexadecimal number, is 81. Okay, let's do one more. So Denary 219 as a hexadecimal value. So we need to convert that into a binary number. So 128 plus 64 is 192. So that would take us over, so we don't want to use that. So we're probably going to use 16 and 8. And I think that takes us over, and it's an odd number, so it has to be that. So we've put them into nibbles, so now we just need to work out what this number is as a Denary number. So 8 plus 4 is 12, so that's 13. We'll convert to hex in a minute. And 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so remember, 10 is A. So 10, 11, 12, A, B, C. So we know that's C. And A is 10, so B is 11. So that tells us that 219 as Denary number is CB as a hexadecimal value.